Today I'm out in the shop replacing the fuel filter and adding a fuel shutoff valve on my Cub Cadet lawn tractor, but this applies to any lawn tractor that has an inline fuel filter like the one that I show here on the screen. At Stiles Automotive, I do general automotive work, modifications, and tips. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and watching the other videos. I'm doing this filter replacement while I have my tractor in the shop replacing the head gaskets. Be sure to check out that video also. I'm getting the job started by pinching off the fuel line with a Hemostat. Now I say in shop tip number 14, one of my videos that I did, which is a shop tip, that the Hemostat is the perfect alternative to a small needle nose pliers. It also makes a great little clamp, as you see here. Procedure to replace the fuel filter is really quite simple. Just use a pair of pliers or channel locks to remove the hose clamps. They're a spring-loaded hose clamp that most OEMs use, even in the automotive industry. Once you got the hose clamp slid back on the hose, simply pull the fuel hose off of the fuel filter. Most Cub Cadet lawn tractors use this same inline fuel filter. This is the part number for my fuel filter, and notice the directional arrow that's on it. That's the direction of flow. I'm also going to install an inline fuel shutoff valve in my fuel line. The reason for that is so I can shut my fuel off and continue to run my engine and drain all the fuel out of the carburetor for storage. This little fuel shutoff valve from Amazon. It came with the hose clamps. Actually, it came with 3 fuel shutoff valves with 6 hose clamps. I'll put a link to the Amazon page in this video's description. I still need to put the rest of the tractor back together after doing the head gaskets. I'll shoot a little more video and show you how these lines are routed, how they're properly held down along the side of the engine. Now that concludes the video. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and if you did, please subscribe. I look forward to your comments.